Sa volleyball naman, hindi lang panalo ang hatid ni Brooke Van Sickle sa next-led Chameleons matapos ng 5-set thriller kontra Farm Fresh Foxies, kundi mas tumindi rin ang kanilang determinasyon para sa susunod na laban kontra sa mas pinalakas na Capital One Solar Spikers. Ang ibang detalye alamin sa eksklusibong pag-abante ni Robigel Revares.
Sports Now. Sports Now. Exclusive.
Hindi lang panalo ang baon ni Brooke Van Sickle mula sa mahirap na 5 set na panalo ng next-led Chameleons kontra Farm Fresh Foxies sa Premier Volleyball League All-Filipino Conference, kundi mas lumalakas na gigil para sa susunod na hamon. Matapos ang isang laban na puno ng habulan, pagod at pressure sa deciding set, inamin ni Van Sickle na hindi pa sila nasa pinakamagandang anyo. Pero sa halip na magpakampante, mas lalong umangat ang competitive fire sa loob ng kupunan.
Yeah, it was definitely physically and mentally taxing. We definitely were pushed big time in ways we're open-minded. I knew it was already going to be a hard battle for sure because Farm Fresh is a team that has a lot of firepower and grit. So especially with Coach Koji implementing his systems, we already knew how difficult it was going to be as an opponent. So they did fantastic. It was really awesome to be able to see Coach Koji again and Rem. So it was good. There was a lot of ups and downs and definitely a lot of change on our side of the court. And I'm really proud of everyone coming in. It was a very team effort. Everyone stepped up in huge ways. So I'm really happy that even though it went 5, we were still able to get the W because, when it goes to a 5-setter, you don't know what's going to happen. So I'm just really proud of the team and we'll celebrate for today. But moving forward, we definitely have a lot of work to do and definitely have to rewatch the game and watch more film moving forward and try to learn from this past game. There's a lot of lessons to take from it. So
isa sa mga dahilan, ang paparating na banggaan kontra sa pinlakas na Capital One Solar Spikers. Hindi na itago ng next-led star ang excitement at hamon na maharap si Bella Bilen na kilala bilang isa sa pinakadelikadong scorers sa liga. Para kay Van Sickle, hindi lang ito isang ordinaryong matchup. Isa itong personal na pagsubok ng depensa, disiplina at tapang ng next-led sa harap ng isang elite offensive weapon.
Yeah, right now they're playing. We got to watch some film on them, definitely study, and they have a lot of good players they added, and they already have Krish. They have obviously Bella, she's phenomenal, so it's gonna definitely be a challenge for sure. So we just got to get back in the gym, work on the things that we definitely struggled. There was a lot of moments of struggle in our past game and we were able to get by it, but we gotta learn from it and be better because as the games continue, as the league continues, it's going to be a lot harder and harder as everyone gets into their groove of season. So I'm excited to play Capital One. I think they got really great players, so it's going to be a challenge.
Pagamat bagong buo pa ang chemistry ng Chameleons dahil sa mga bagong miyembro ng roster, naniniwala siya na ang ganitong mga laban ang magpapabilis sa paglago ng kupunan. Imbis na mataranta sa hamon, mas gusto ni Van Sickle ang ganitong klase ng pressure dahil dito nasusubok ang totoong tibay.
Yeah, I think it's going well. It's kind of expected that it's going to take a little bit for us to gel together. Half of the team is new to next-led, so it's going to be a lot of adjustments and a lot of learning how to play next to each other. But I think it's going to go well. I think our first game, there was a lot of pressure, and I think a lot of girls felt a little bit stressed. But we just gotta. It's the first game jitters are out, so we just gotta be able to embrace it and be able to lean on each other. And I think that we're taking steps in the right direction with that. And moving forward, I think we are going to do much better as gelling as one. So I'm really excited. It doesn't matter who's on the court. I think everyone is a fantastic player, got a lot of talent. I feel like we have a really deep bench at next-led. So I'm really excited to see how the conference goes. It's going to be really hard, but we're open-minded.
Sa kanya, hindi sapat na nakaligtas sila sa unang pagsubok. Ang tunay na misyon ngayon ay ipakita na kaya nilang makipagsabay at makipagbakbakan sa mga pinakamalalakas na pangalan sa liga. At sa pagharap kay Bella Bilen, malinaw, handa si Brooke Van Sickle sa isang tunay na gyera sa net. Ako si Robigel Revares, Abante Sports, nauna.